Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best weed candle is probably one of the most effective and aesthetically pleasing ways to combat unwanted odors in your home, especially those lingering from smoking sessions, offering a dual-purpose solution that not only neutralizes smells but also adds a pleasant ambience to your living space, making it an essential item for any smoker looking to maintain a fresh and inviting atmosphere without compromising on style or effectiveness. Number 5. Zero Odor Multi-Purpose Odor Eliminator. Are you struggling with persistent smells in your home? It's time to experience a truly fresh environment. Discover the revolutionary way to eliminate odors at their source. Our patented technology tackles smells on both air and surfaces. From bathrooms and kitchens to fabrics and closets, it works wherever odors hide. Enjoy a consistently pleasant smell throughout your home. With over 1,000 sprays in every 8-ounce bottle, you can keep your spaces smelling great for a long time. Say goodbye to unwanted smells for good. Reclaim the freshness of your living spaces. It's the simple solution to make your home smell great again. What we like. This product uses patented technology to eliminate odors on both air and surfaces. If you're looking for a versatile solution for bathrooms, kitchens, or fabrics, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want a comprehensive odor elimination system. What people say. This stuff works miracles. After treating the apartment, that same neighbor did a sniff test and confirmed the odor was totally gone. Now, we spray it immediately after our relative goes to the bathroom, and the room is clear within a minute. Extremely effective at eliminating odors without an overpowering smell. Leaves behind a fresh, clean scent. This leaves your space smelling like nothing at all, though there is a bit of a bleach smell afterwards, which goes away. I highly recommend it for anyone who hates heavy, artificial perfumes. Number 4. Smoke Odor Exterminator Candle Orange Lemon Splash. Tired of lingering smoke odors? Introducing our powerful odor eliminating candle, designed to refresh your space. Enjoy up to 70 hours of continuous burn time. This candle provides extended freshness, keeping your home smelling great for longer. Our advanced enzyme-based formula actively breaks down and eliminates odors. It's highly effective at tackling even the toughest smells. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells from cigars, cigarettes, and pets. This candle is specifically formulated to neutralize these common household odors. We care about the environment. That's why it features zinc wick wire cores, ensuring a safe and eco-friendly burn. Transform your home with the invigorating orange lemon splash scent. It's the perfect solution for a truly fresh and clean-smelling environment. What we like. This candle features an enzyme-based formula that effectively tackles tough odors like cigar and cigarette smoke. With a 70-hour burn time, it's perfect for those who frequently deal with lingering smoke smells. If you need a long-lasting solution to clear the air after smoking, this is the one. What people say. The candle eliminates odors pretty well. Left it lit for about an hour and the smell was gone. It works great while burning. The scent is very pleasant if you like citrus and cuts through the acrid urine smell in the litter box. Does a great job of cancelling out odors from cooking. It freshens the air without a heavily perfumed smell. Number 3. Smoke Odor Exterminator Hippie Love Candle. Tired of lingering smoke and pet smells? Our powerful candle is designed to effectively neutralize even the strongest odors, leaving your space fresh and clean. Enjoy up to 70 hours of continuous burn time with this generously sized candle. It provides long-lasting odor elimination and a pleasant ambience. Whether it's cigar smoke or pet odors, this candle is formulated to tackle them head-on. Its enzyme-based formula works to break down odor molecules. We care about the environment. That's why it features zinc wick wire cores, ensuring a safe and eco-conscious burn. Don't just mask odors, eliminate them. Experience a truly fresh and inviting atmosphere in your home with this highly effective odor eliminator. What we like. This option also boasts an enzyme-based formula, specifically designed for very strong odors, including pet and cigar smells. Its 70-hour burn time ensures continuous odor neutralization. If you have persistent pet odors or need to combat strong smells regularly, this candle is a powerful ally. What people say. This candle is an absolute game changer when it comes to eliminating strong odors, especially smoke. It's infused with powerful enzymes that break down smoke and other strong scents, leaving the room smelling naturally clean instead of just covering up the odor temporarily. With a 70-hour burn time, this candle lasts a long time. It burns evenly and cleanly, without excessive soot or tunneling. Number 2. Just Make Sense Smoke and Odor Eliminator Candle. Tired of searching for a candle that actually eliminates odors? This one does both, quickly wiping out smoke and unpleasant smells with an invigorating spice fragrance. It enhances the ambience of any room. Developed to tackle smoke, pet, or food odors, this candle doesn't just mask smells, it neutralizes them. Experience a fresh and joyful impression in your surroundings. Enjoy a cleaner, longer, and more consistent burn time of 40 hours. For maximum performance, ensure the cotton and paper fiber wicks are trimmed to under 1/4 inch. Crafted with a premium soy wax blend and top-notch aroma oils, each 8-ounce candle is filled with concentrated ingredients. It effectively removes unwanted odors, leaving your home smelling fresh. This candle is proudly hand-poured in our North Carolina home. As a true home-based business, we ensure quality and care in every product. What we like. Crafted with a natural soy wax blend, this candle not only neutralizes odors but also leaves behind a cheerful, fruity scent. It's perfect for creating a pleasant ambience while eliminating smoke, food, or pet smells. If you appreciate a beautifully scented space that's also odor-free, this hand-poured option is ideal. What people say. Every evening after dinner when I have had my last smoke of the evening, I burn my candle for about 15 minutes. It doesn't take long for the very pleasant, clean-smelling honey aroma to completely eradicate all traces of nicotine nastiness. Within only 3 to 5 minutes the cigarette smoke has been neutralized and my entire living room, hallway, and bedroom bath smell clean and fresh again. The candle had not only somehow vanquished the scent of the gas vapors, but had my bathroom smelling like a damn Bed Bath & Beyond store. Number 1. Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag 200G. Discover the award-winning Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag. It's HGTV's top choice for a fresh home. Breathe easy with this premium bamboo charcoal odor absorber. It effectively neutralizes smells in any space. Use it to eliminate closet odors or freshen up your car. It's the versatile solution for a pleasant environment. Enjoy lasting freshness with these charcoal bags. They work continuously to keep your spaces smelling great. This powerful bag can cover up to 90 square feet. It's an efficient way to maintain air quality. What we like. This product utilizes premium bamboo charcoal for natural odor absorption, making it an excellent choice for purifying spaces up to 90 square feet. It's a long-lasting, chemical-free solution for closets, cars, or any room needing a refresh. If you prefer a natural, passive odor absorber that works continuously, this is a top pick. What people say. Left the bag in my car for 24 hours, maybe even less, and the smell was gone. Very easy to use. It neutralized strong odors, including Indian curry smells, without masking them with artificial fragrance. No sprays, no chemicals, just quiet, effective odor control. I bought this Moso bamboo bag and set in my vehicle overnight, and the next day the odor disappeared. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.